participating in PCI at large is a way to give back to the industry, but participating with PCI Foundation is a way to invest in the future of the industry. So we're really excited to plant seeds that will reap a harvest for the precast industry in the future. So participating gives us an opportunity to interact with the students directly and share our knowledge and experience with them. And SECA expects to see a return not only to the industry but to ourselves specifically, in that these students will go away with the knowledge that we're there as a resource for them as they go off into the industry.